summer rain descend or simply wander by. Tangled clouds of uncombed hair drift across the sky. 30 years this narrow street has kept its tender stain. Only slow, unhurried feet remember my rainy lane. Here in my rainy lane, footsteps echo low. Yesterday remains where the small winds blow. Grandma's patchwork table shakes beneath a cotton sheet. Dogs resume their distant feud somewhere down the street. Rusty vendors, megaphone threads the morning air. Sewing scraps of market song through loosened shingles there. Here in my rainy lane, voices ebb and flow. Yesterday remains where the small winds blow. Courier glides like evening wind, leaves a paper hung. Barber-pole keeps turning while the afternoon grows numb. Orphan kitten circles where the neon water falls, crying for a vanished hand along the hollow walls. Mother limps the pavement with a woven basket sway. Silver footprints glimmer faint and fade along the way. Father gathers supper in the dying amber light, wears a weary crescent smile and whispers, "We're all right." Night draws velvet curtains, lamps awaken modest rows. Yet no one reads the distant fires the silent skyline shows. So I wait beneath the eaves, listening for the rain, holding all these clouds